CBSE Class 8 Mathematics Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable Exercise 2.1. Solve the given equation means to find the value of variable. So first question is x minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay. So this is the solution. Write the first step as x minus 2 is equal to 7. Then we can transpose minus 2 on this side. So we will get x is equal to 7 plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 9 is your final answer. Question 2, equation is y plus 3 is equal to 10. So we can transpose 3 on this side. So we'll get y is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. So y is equal to 7. Question 3, solve 6 is equal to z plus 2. So we can transpose 2 on this side to get the value of z. So we'll get 6 minus 2 is equal to z. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore z is equal to 4. Question 4, equation is 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. Now in this question 3 upon 7 and 17 upon 7 are like terms. So we can transpose 3 upon 7 on another side. So we'll get x is equal to 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. Denominators are same, so we can take common. So in numerator we'll get 17 minus 3, 14. So 14 upon 7. 14 upon 7 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. Question 5. 6x is equal to 12. Okay. Now on this side with variable 6 is there. So we have to divide both sides by 6. So we'll get 6x upon 6 is equal to 12 upon 6. On this side 6 will cut, and on this side 12 upon 6 is equal to 2. Therefore we'll get x is equal to 2. Another method is you can transpose 6 on another side. 6x is equal to 12. So transpose 6 on another side. So we'll get 12 upon 6, that is x is equal to 2. So you can use any one method. Question 6, t upon phi is equal to 10. Okay. Now in this question phi is in denominator. Therefore you have to multiply phi by both sides. So we'll get t upon phi into phi is equal to 10 into phi. So phi will get, and 10 into phi will get 50. So t is equal to 50. Another method is transposition. You can transpose phi on this side. So you will get t is equal to 10 into 5. That is t is equal to 50. Then question 7, 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Now with x 2 upon 3 is there. So we have to multiply both sides by the inverse, that is 3 upon 2. So 2x upon 3 into 3 upon 2 is equal to 18 into 3 upon 2. So these 3 and 3 and 2 and 2 will cancel. On this side 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So you will get x is equal to 27. Another method, that is transposition. So with x 2 upon 3 is there. So you can transpose 2 upon 3 on right hand side. So you will get x is equal to 18 into 3 upon 2. It means this step. Then the rest calculation is same. So you will get x is equal to 27. You can use any method. Question 8, solve 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. So simply transpose 1 upon 5 on this side. So you will get y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. After solving you will get y is equal to 2.4. Question 9, equation is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. So first transpose 9 on this side because 9 and 16 are like terms. So you will get 7x is equal to 16 plus 9, that is 7x is equal to 25. Then transpose 7 on another side. So you will get x is equal to 25 upon 7. It means same answer. Question 10, solve 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So simply transpose 18 on another side. So you will get 14y is equal to 13 plus 8, that is 14y is equal to 21. So y is equal to 21 upon 14 after transposition. Now we can simplify this further by dividing 7. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. So y is equal to 3 upon 2. This is the final answer. Question 11, equation is 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. So transpose 17 on another side. So you will get 6p is equal to 9 minus 17, that is 6p is equal to minus 8. Then p is equal to minus 8 upon 6, that is by transposition. Now simplified further, divide both terms by 2. So 2 into minus 4 8 and 2 into 3 6. So final answer is p is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Question 12, equation is x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. So first transpose 1 on another side. So we'll get x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1. Now denominators of 7 upon 15 and 1 are different, so we need to take LCM. So LCM of denominators is 15. So after LCM we'll get 7 upon 15 minus 15 upon 15. Now denominators are same, so we can take common denominator. So we'll get this step, x upon 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 upon 15. 7 minus 15 is minus 8, so we'll get x upon 3 is equal to minus 8 upon 15. Further we can transpose 3 on another side, so we'll get x is equal to minus 8 upon 15 into 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So finally you will get x is equal to minus 8 upon 5. So we are done with the exercise. Thank you.